N. Martin, High School Grammar Books. Topic है the gerunds. Point out the participle and gerund in the following sentences. In the case of the participle, name the noun or pronoun which it qualifies. In the case of gerund, state whether it's subject, object, complement, or used after a preposition. He was found fighting desperately for his life. Fighting, participle. Qualifying the pronoun he. He has ruined his sight by reading small print. Reading, gerund. Object of the preposition by. Hearing the noise, he ran to the window. Hearing, participle. Qualifying the pronoun he. We saw a clown standing on his head. Standing, participle. Qualifying the noun clown. Asking questions is easier than answering them. Asking, gerund. Subject of the verb is. Answering, gerund. Subject of the verb is. Waving their hats and handkerchiefs, the people cheered the king. Waving, participle. Qualifying the noun people. Walking on the grass is forbidden. Walking, gerund. Subject of the verb is forbidden. Jumping over the fence, the thief escaped. Jumping, participle. Qualifying the noun thief. The miser spends his time in hoarding money. Hoarding, gerund. Object of the preposition in. Much depends on Rama's returning before noon. Turning, gerund. Object of the preposition on. Amassing wealth often ruins health. Amassing, gerund. Subject of the verb ruins. I was surprised at Hari being absent. Being, gerund. Object of the preposition at. We spent the afternoon in playing cards. Playing, gerund. Object of the preposition in. The miser hated spending money. Spending, gerund. Object of the verb hated. He was angry at Saroja trying to lie to her. Saroja trying to lie to her. Gerund. Object of the preposition at. Praising all alike is praising none. Here, praising, gerund, and subject of the verb is. Praising, gerund, complement of the verb is. Are you afraid of his hearing you? Hearing, gerund. Object of the preposition of. I determined to increase my salary by managing a little farm. Managing, gerund. Object of the preposition by. Success is not merely winning applause. Winning, gerund. Complement of the verb is. The year was spent in visiting our rich neighbors. Visiting, gerund. Object of the preposition in. Singing to herself was her chief delight. Singing, gerund. Subject of the verb was. He preferred playing football to studying his lessons. Playing, gerund. Object of the verb preferred. Studying, gerund. Object of the preposition to. I thank thee, Jew, for teaching me that word. Teaching, gerund. Object of the preposition for. I cannot go on doing nothing. Doing, gerund. Object of go on. A phrasal verb. So this was exercise number 55. Reading exercise number 56. Till then, subscribe ASA Education.